Welcome to Gear Grinders, your ultimate destination for motorcycle enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Royal Enfield Interceptor 650, a modern classic that combines retro styling with powerful performance and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a fan of timeless design or a rider seeking a thrilling experience, this bike is designed to make every ride unforgettable. Let's explore what makes the 2025 Interceptor 650 a true icon on two wheels. Design and styling. The 2025 Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 stays true to its retro-inspired roots with a design that exudes classic charm. It features a teardrop fuel tank, a round headlamp with chrome casing, and a dual exhaust setup that adds to its vintage appeal. The bike's hand-painted pinstripes, chrome accents, and retro-inspired color options like Orange Crush and Baker Express add a touch of elegance. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable upright riding posture, making it perfect for both city rides and long highway journeys. Performance and engine. At the heart of the Interceptor 650 lies a powerful 648cc parallel twin engine that delivers a smooth and responsive performance. With an output of 47 bhp and 52 Nm of torque, this engine offers strong mid-range power and a satisfying exhaust note that's music to any rider's ears. The bike features a 6-speed gearbox with a slip and assist clutch, ensuring smooth gear shifts and reduced rider fatigue. The dual-channel ABS and advanced suspension setup provide excellent handling and stability, making it a joy to ride on both city streets and open highways. Technology and features. The 2025 Interceptor 650 comes equipped with modern features to enhance your riding experience. It includes a fully digital instrument cluster that displays essential information like speed, fuel level, and trip details. The bike also offers Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to sync their smartphones for navigation, call alerts, and ride analytics. Additional features include LED lighting, a USB charging port, and a maintenance-free battery, making it a practical choice for everyday use. Conclusion. The 2025 Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 is a perfect blend of retro charm and modern performance, making it a standout in the modern classic segment. Whether you're a fan of classic design or a performance enthusiast, this bike offers a thrilling and stylish riding experience. Thanks for watching Gear Grinders. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest motorcycles. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.